Hey y'all, welcome to your good girl, and I'm your good girl. Well, this channel is new, so please subscribe, like, share, and anything you can do to just boost it, because I am going to be doing tutorials of so many things, so many apps, some forex apps, your phone apps, your laptop apps, aesthetic apps you can use to edit your videos, apps you can use to edit your photos, so many things. But today we're going to be doing the forex trading apps that you can use to make money, like Metatrader 5. So this is the Metatrader 5 interface. But before we go into it, let's take a look at this. So welcome back to your good girl, and we're still on the Metatrader 5 interface. And yes, so this is my Metatrader 5 demo account, and this is it. So if I wanted to add another account, I press here and add whatever I can. So if my other broker is Xness, yes, I'll just click on Xness and try to log in my Xness account, and that's how it works. So this is my Metatrader 5, so I'm just gonna go to trade. Yeah. So this is quotes, and what quotes do? Quotes. Okay, I think there's some issue here. Yeah. So this is quotes, and what quotes do is quote gives us all the trading how am I going to put abbreviations that we have. So these are all the trade that we can do. We have Euro USD, GBP USD, and so on and so forth. And if there's any trade you want to do and it's not here, you can just click on here and write it. Write whatever trade, like XAU USD. That's gold versus US dollars. And once you click it, it automatically comes here. See, it's XAU USD. It's that easy. So probably I want to start trading XAUSD. What I have to do is just click on XAUSD in charts. So I check my charts and check what's going on my charts before I trade. So it's just loading. Yeah, so this is my charts, and this is how it is. And yeah, so this is my charts. And trade, if I want to start trading, I can click here, and I have Euro CAD on my trade, that if I want to trade, and I can just trade it. Or if I want to trade my XAU USD, I click on this place here, and I can instantly place my trade wherever I want it to be. It's that simple. So yeah, that's it. And history is when you've traded, whatever you've traded will show at this history side, your profit, deposit, swap, commission, and all of that. And messages, if you're signed into any channel, if you're subscribed to any channel on your Metatrader 5 interface, is gonna come here and also give you popular channels that you can follow for probably tips or something. And yeah, that is it. So I'm just going to be showing us how we can change the color of our candlestick. Yeah, so I'll just come here and go to settings. Yeah, so this is it. So make sure your settings are exactly like this. Yeah. So this is it. So it's color we're looking for actually. Yeah, I think okay in Metatrader 4 I think you can change the color, but I don't think you can change it in Metatrader 5. Yeah, cause I changed it in Metatrader. Okay, but the color is good here. Yes, this is a good color. The red indicates the down pattern, the downtrend. That is the bearish move. That's the red candle. And the blue, sometimes it is green. So the blue or green candle represents the bullish move, and that is the upward trend or upward pattern, or anyhow you can understand it. So yes, so this is the green candle, and it represents the upward trend, and it is called a bullish candle. The red one represents a down trend, and it's called a bearish candle. Yes, so that is basically all about it. Okay, so this plus here is to like navigate around your listen to know the numbers. Probably you want to set your take profit and stop loss somewhere so you can know the numbers around there. Yeah, and this F is to put your oscillators, your trend, and all of that, like your Bollinger Bands and your moving average and all of that. So that is to put it, and here is to change the quotes. Probably you don't want to trade XAUSD, you want to trade Euro USD. You click on Euro USD, and that's it. And here is if you want to open another window. If you want to have like, if I click here, I can have my Euro USD in 5 minutes. It is that simple. In another, you're on the same chart, so I can look at it as it's in 30 minutes, and I can look at it as it's in 5 minutes. So that is it. That is it. So I can tile horizontally or vertically. Vertically is like this, not gonna be cool, but horizontally it is like this. That is it. So I'm just gonna remove this one. Yeah. Gonna remove this one. So this is it. And here, when I click on here, I'm going to start trading, and that is basically everything we need to know about your interface. And once you click on the minutes, 30 minutes, that M30, you're able to change every other thing. You're able to change it to 1 hour or 4 hours or 1 day, or by like leave it 30 minutes. And once you click there, you can see your settings again. And yeah, so yeah, and once, yeah, that is where we're going to find our settings here. So my line type is candlestick. If it's in line chart, it's going to be like this, and I don't want line chart, so I'm just going to change it to, if it's in bar charts, let me show you, it's like this, and I don't like it either. But candlestick is just the best for trading, to understand your charts, candlestick pattern, and that is this one here. Very, very easy to understand, and changing the colors is here. So bull candle, bear candle, this is a bull, I said is the upward trend. I can change it to the more lighter green, and the bear candle is red, so I can change it to darker red if I want. And this is, just leave everything like this, leave your foreground black and all of that, done. And see, this is it. So makes it easier. Yeah, so that is basically all about, you need to really know about your Metatrader app, and you're going to be making money from it when you're using it to trade, you know, to start a trade and to end a trade and to trade basically. So yeah, that is all about the Metatrader 5 interface. And yeah, just hope you like it. So if you like it, please like, and make sure you subscribe for other videos that can be helpful for your forex life, and other videos that can be helpful for your beauty editing apps and your video apps and all of that. So thanks for staying with me. I'm still your go-to girl. Yeah, bye.